this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Star Wars Battlefront 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Star Wars Battlefront 2 offers various ways to play with your friends. You will be able to play online, so you can invite them even if they have their own console with their own game available, or you will be able to do split screen play where you connect additional controllers to the same console and you play in split screen mode, but this one is going to be more limited. So first, if you would like to do online multiplayer, all that you have to do is open the game, and when you choose play, you will be able to choose multiplayer. Immediately upon selecting multiplayer, you will see all the options related to inviting your friends in all of the game modes. So usually you can choose between multiplayer and co-op missions. And if you look at the top left corner of the screen, you will be able to see your current group. You should see your profile picture, and by selecting it, you will be able to see all of the friends who are currently online playing Star Wars Battlefront 2. They can either invite you or you can invite them, whichever option you prefer. Whoever invites the other is going to be the leader of the multiplayer group, and now all that you have to do to finish setting this up is to choose from any of the available game modes. So if you are in a multiplayer group, it is recommended that you go over to multiplayer and you choose any of the modes available in there, and you will be able to start playing together immediately. So you can choose between heroes and villains, for example, and choose whichever option you want. Now, if you want to do split screen, then you will have to connect an additional controller to your platform, and sadly, this one is going to be much more limited. You will only be able to do split screen in the arcade modes. So instead of going over to multiplayer, if you want to do split screen, you have to go over to single player and then choose between instant action or arcade. By choosing this, you will be able to configure everything, and once you get inside, split screen mode will be started immediately. But like I mentioned, this one is going to be limited to single player. For online, you just have to invite your friends to your group, choose from any of the available multiplayer modes, and you will be able to join the lobby and start playing. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Star Wars Battlefront 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!